Okay guys, the first part of the layout, I'm going to just put my creek scene in. I'm going to have a long creek, and the way I'm going to do it is I've got two textures. I'll just take them off and I do my run. And I thought I'd do my creek scene first, and then my tracks will come after, so I know where all my bridges and all that will be. So I'm going to mark this one out, and we'll see what she looks like, and I'll jigsaw the whole lot out and then place it on the layout. And also there will be like a waterfall, so the creek's going to go into this area that's in the waterfall, and my trestle bridge will be here too. And I'll just mark it, and I'm using the old boards for this part, save on timber. And also, I've stopped there because then I'll carry on from the other side because of my corner piece. So this is where this first part will finish, and then it will carry on. So I'll cut that out and we'll see what she looks like. So now that's all cut, guys, and all I've got to do is obviously bolt it to the layout. So I'll continue with this next part. Okay guys, now I'm turning the corner now, so I'm going to actually obviously start at the start, and I've got to come out, and where this black line is, that's where my bench work is, so I've got to come out, and voila. So I use my trusty textures. Cut that, and that will join onto this bench and also half of that bench. Okay guys, so far so good. There's the small piece, then winding it around to the end. But this river or creek will be going the length of this next module as well. So we'll keep going and we'll see what she looks like. So a little bit more of the straight bit coming down to the end. Okay guys, I'm nearly finished. Just probably 2 more cuts. So I'll just make a small bit at the end now, because it's sort of going into the wall there. Okay guys, the last bit of the puzzle, the creek, is I only need a small piece. Probably half of that. So I'll go ahead and cut that one. Okay guys, now that part's finished now. All I've got to do now is put a beam across here to hold this end one up. And as you can see, my creek bed is down all the way to the end. So what I'll do now is I'll screw it all down. And I'll put that noggin in for the end piece. At least I've got my creek bed down. Okay guys, it's now all screwed down. So the creek bed is finished. Now up the end here, I'm not sure if it's going to stay like that because I don't know if I'm having a mountain area here or not, but it doesn't matter if it's there or not. So that's good. Now that I've finished that, now I can get ready to lay some track. Well, on this side anyway. Thanks for watching guys.